You don't have to overhaul your life today. What I'm asking is simpler, much simpler than that. Start with 3 questions, and I want you to actually sit with them, not analyze them, just feel what comes up. First one. When was the last time you felt at peace in your own body? Not from achievement, not from a distraction, just present and okay. Feeling at peace. Number 2. What pattern keeps showing up in your relationships, in your health, and what haven't you been fully honest with yourself about? And number 3, what would it mean to take your own interior life as seriously as you take everything else that you've ever been responsible for? Now here's the thing. The boy who adapted to survive deserves to finally be seen by the man he became. The man who has been carrying what was never his to carry deserves to set some of that down. Now, your health is not separate from your emotional world. Your relationships are really not separate from how you treat yourself.